Hello friends, welcome to Next Gen Mobiles. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert the SIM card into VIVO T3 5G. Before inserting the SIM, it is important to check SIM options in the settings. Use the SIM tool to eject the SIM tray. This device supports hybrid dual SIM, so you can insert the one or two SIMs as needed. Once the SIM is placed correctly, reinsert the tray back into the phone. After the SIM is inserted, you can check the SIM options in the settings. Now the SIM is inserted correctly. Thank you for watching.